Hello and welcome back to Cricket TV. I'm Hetli Patel and joining us today is Narayan Pasari and Nikhil Morsawala. Narayan Pasari has been the judge of dugout drop contest and he selected Ajinkya Rahane as the winner. Our dugout drop contest is going on. We have second question ready for you. So go to the description, go to the dugout drop episode 2 and you can also check it out on Instagram. Today we'll talk about the second match between Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals. If you have been consistent to the show, you would know who supports whom. I am supporting Delhi Capital, Akshar Patel, being from somebody from my hometown. And Nikhil Morsawala is supporting Mumbai Indians.
ये
His
पटेल
heart.
पटेल वाला किस्सा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है.
अच्छा
हेतवी
नहीं
पटेल supporting
लगा.
Akshar Patel. And I think, yeah, he's your neighbor, right? Something like that in Nadia. So he's from Nadia Narayan, by the way. So Hetvi has
I
this
know, I
soft
know.
spot for. She has a dilemma when Delhi plays Bangalore because she supports Bangalore, but when Delhi plays against Bangalore,
Yeah.
so yeah, I think it's good to be a good match. Delhi is right on top. Needs to lose a match. So hopefully they lose it
Law of
against
averages.
law of
Love
averages.
averages.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Mumbai needs to win a match again. Law of
Yeah.
averages. They've lost on the other side, negative side. They've lost four at a trot. Or maybe if they won one in between. And they've been honestly, Narayana, very disappointed the way they've been playing. Very ordinary, especially the old war horses, Rohit Sharma. It doesn't make sense. Bumrah hasn't clicked the way he should have when he came back to play. So I think all in all, they may not deserve to win, but then my heart says Mumbai, 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 and you cannot deny that. So I think वो मैं तो छोड़ ही नहीं सकता कभी मुंबई वाला जो एक हमारे ऊपर भूत सवार होता है. बट आज उनको खेलना पड़ेगा ठीक से. दिल्ली इज प्लेइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज their home crowd. The
Correct.
match is in Delhi,
Delhi.
and so they have the home advantage. But hopefully Hardik Pandya and Surya Kumar Yadav are great fighters. I think they have that ability along with Tilak Verma to put up a very massive score or chase a very large score. So let's see how that goes, Nayan.
So, as far as Delhi is concerned, it is their first game in Kotla this season,
Yes.
according to me. They have no loss or all wins till now. And they were उनके पास एक fresh captain भी है in
Yeah.
अक्षर पटेल, करेक्ट. हालांकि मैंने पढ़ा कि अक्षर पटेल ने अभी तक इस टूर्नामेंट में भी विकेट नहीं ली है अभी तक,
Yes.
करेक्ट. तो वो अच्छा है उनके. और जो पेपर में न्यूज थी कि आज की विकेट will help spinners today, Delhi
Okay.
wali. So they have Aksar himself, they have Kuldeep Yadav too, and they have this new chap called Vipraj Nigam,
Yes.
है ना. तो they are good. They have a good, track, likely spinning and working out. They have a good spinning side. और बैटिंग में भी क्या है टुडे ऑल्सो, केएल राहुल स्कोरिंग, आशुतोष शर्मा, उनका जो ड्यूपेलिस है, फ्रेजर मकर है, पोरेल है, वो चल ही नहीं रहा है एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो. वो
Yeah.
जीत गए हैं 4 मैच, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस एंटायर टीम का नहीं रहा है कि भाई पूरी टीम परफॉर्म कर रही है. हालांकि T20 के अंदर 2 आदमी भी परफॉर्म करे तो मैच जीत सकते हैं. कमिंग टू एमआई, इनके पास स्पिनर्स, एक्सपीरियंस स्पिनर नहीं है कोई भी देखा जाए तो. इनके पास सेटनर है, और एक रहमान करके है, पुतुर है, और एक वो विल जैक्स है. ये 4 है, लेकिन कोई एक्सपीरियंस स्पीकर नहीं है, अपना स्पिनर नहीं है. दे हैव जसप्रीत विच जस्ट नाउ निखिल सेड इज नॉट अप टू दैट मार्क. ट्रेंट बोल्ट है, दीपक चाहर है. सो दीज आर देयर, बट इतना नहीं है. हालांकि बैटिंग में अगर रोहित या स्काई या नमन कोई भी एक जन चल जावे तो काम उनका हो जाता है बेसिकली, दैट वे. सो
Yeah.
आज के दिन में इवन तिलक वर्मा इज डूइंग वेल देखा
Hmm.
जाए तो. तो ये एक अच्छा है कॉम्बिनेशन है. एम आई इज डूइंग वेल, बट अभी ऑन द ड्रॉट इतने काम चल रहा है, हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क आउट बेसिकली.
Hetvi?
Yes, I think it like he said कि Delhi Capitals में पूरी team to it the whole team hasn't come together yet, or not the entire team has played. We have seen KL Rahul, that was a one-man show if we look at the match. Yeah, but then I favor Delhi Capitals with Mitchell Stark. Like, so their bowlers the bowling unit is quite strong and they have all-rounders. तो मैग्रुप नहीं चले, पर अगर डुप्लेसिस या मैग्रुप दोनों में से कोई एक काम कर ले, और स्टब्स, they have stubs as well. So if
Yes.
one of the three works for them, I think Delhi has an edge. The way Mumbai Indians have because of the way Mumbai Indians have been playing. वहां पे सिर्फ हार्दिक पांड्या ही highlight हुए हैं. Until now, we haven't seen any other player play up to their potential. So I think that would be a challenge for Mumbai Indians, for the team to come together and play, because we have a lot of expectation from not just Rohit Sharma but even Surya Kumar Yadav, Tilak Verma. उनके साथ expectation ज्यादा है. So I think they'll have to play and put up a good score whenever they play on the pehle hath mein.
Yeah, I think so, and I think it is a sort of a do or die game for them. If they are
Yes.
1 out of 5 now and they become 1 out of 6, I think then they are with the CSK
Yeah,
decided bottom
permanent.
of the table. Very difficult to bounce back from 1 out of 6. Though they have been known to have done that before, but that's very different to Rohit Sharma.
Yeah.
So Jasprit Bumrah, I think, has to come to the party. Liverpool is billing, because if he does that, I'm reading that this stadium has average of 235 runs per innings, and if that happens, I don't see Mumbai chasing it. Neither do I see Mumbai reaching it if they're batting first. So they don't have that skill, and Delhi has some good spinners like Kuldeep Yadav, really making a big difference, and Akshar Patel can control the scoring rate with his very very nice good left arm bowling. So I think Bumrah has to come. That 4 overs has to count. Either it has to be 4 overs, no wickets, 12 runs, which is also okay, or 4 overs, 30 runs, 3 wickets, 4 wickets, something like that. If that 4 overs, if he makes it count, the balance 16 can still, work out somewhere. With Hardik is going to take 4 of them,
Yeah.
and he's a decent bowler. He's a wise bowler. He plays according to the pitch and to the player. So if Jasprit Bumrah and Hardik Pandya as a bowler, if these two people live up to their billing and the performances in the past, then they can give a good fight to DC in terms of controlling the run flow from DC. And DC will not be able to run rampage like last time when KL Rahul and Stubbs took the match away from the opposition. So, and Tilak Verma, of course, he's a great middle order bat. Number 4, number 5 is very good. Hopefully, Rohit Sharma will justify his place. He's occupying a very important position. He's at number 1. At number 1, the number 1 batsman in a T20 is very, very critical. Now, if you're going to occupy that space and do nothing about it and just stand there, I think it's shameful to talk about him like that, because he's a giant. But what has he done? I think in the entire IPL, what is his average? I think it's quite shameful. So he should either give it up himself and say, boss, I'm out of form, किसी और को ले आओ, मैं नहीं खेल पा रहा हूँ, मैं ग्राउंड में, मैं डगआउट में बैठ के आपको मोटिवेट करूंगा, गाइड करूंगा, मेंटोर करूंगा, लेकिन मैं ये जो पोजीशन है, जो क्रिटिकल उसमें मैं नहीं बैठ सकता हूँ, फिर मैं एक चंक लेके जा रहा हूँ आपका. नारायण, आपको क्या लग रहा है? I get very I am
अगर
very
आपने
puzzled by this.
आपने देखा होगा कि वो सब्स्टिट्यूट प्लेयर को लाते हैं ना, 2 मैच में व्हाट एवर रिमेम्बर उन्होंने रोहित शर्मा को आउट किया है.
As an impact player, yeah.
इम्पैक्ट
But
प्लेयर
then
है
he has
ना.
occupied that batting
हाँ
space
हाँ.
where he's not justifying that.
अभी उनके व्हाट आर द अदर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल टू मुंबई इंडियंस, नॉट इन दैट स्लॉट, बट डू दे हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बैटर टू रिप्लेस हिम. इज मतलब आज के दिन में उससे 70% भी होना, फॉरगेट 100% लाइक रोहित, लेकिन वैसा भी अगर हो तो उनको मिलना चाहिए. वैसा कोई है तो देन दे शुड लुक एट दैट बेसिकली.
See, unless you try, you will not know. And if you see their
Nobody.
squad
स्क्वाड में कौन है? देखिए आप स्क्वाड में कौन है.
नहीं, कोई नहीं है. बेवन जेकब्स, रॉबिन मेन्स, अर्जुन तेंदुलकर, कृष्णा श्रीजित. Nobody.
एक्चुअली अब की बार निखिल भाऊ, आपने अगर देखा होगा ना, अब की बार कई टीम मैनेजमेंट ने बहुत बोल्ड डिसीजन लेके पूरा कंपोजिशन चेंज किया है टीम का. आप देखो तो जो मुंबई इंडियंस में नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah.
you're right.
करेक्ट. सो अगर इन्होंने कुछ बोल्ड डिसीजन लेके कुछ अच्छे प्लेयर्स को, क्योंकि पर्स तो सबके पास मोटा मोटी सेम है ना, तो अगर अच्छा कोई लिया होता तो दे वुड हैव आल्सो गॉट लाइक अदर पीपल आर डूइंग इट, है ना।
And the
But I
supporting
agree that
staff is
you are not,
amazing.
when you go down the team list, and you say, okay, let's assume that Rohit is not there, then who will come in his place?
Yeah,
And
that's
there's no
one.
clear answer. There's no clear answer for that because there is nobody who, as you rightly said, who has either the same aura, even 70% of that aura, to come and fill that. Unless you reshuffle your batting order and ask Surya Kumar to jump up, or one of those guys who are coming down the line to move to position number one, which might not help them or might not help the team. So you
और
are sort of stuck with Rohit.
और इवन इन द ऑक्शन, अगर दूसरे लोग अच्छे प्लेयर्स को रिलीज नहीं करोगे तो आप ले भी नहीं पाओगे। जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, टुडे इफ केएल राहुल इज रिलीज्ड बाय दिल्ली, वो कैप्टन तो अभी है नहीं उधर, अगर
Mm.
रिलीज करते हैं तो उसको मुंबई इंडियंस ले सकती है,
Yeah.
करेक्ट।
Mm.
तो वो
Yes.
एक इक्वेशन इनको थोड़ा सा सॉलिड ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करनी चाहिए कि हर एक टीम को कैसे, अगर आपको अच्छे प्लेयर और अच्छा क्रिकेट दिखाना है, और तो इनको सीनियर्स लोग को थोड़ा धीरे धीरे आउट करना है बेसिक।
Hetvi?
यस आई एग्री। और मुंबई ने अभी तक बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर्स को ढूंढा है। आई मीन अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक जसप्रीत बुमराह हैज बीन अ मुंबई इंडियंस फाइन, तो हमने देखा है उनको किए हुए। तो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन दे हैव टू रीशफल इट लाइक सीएसके। इवन वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इट यस्टरडे कि सीएसके आल्सो नीड्स टू rip apart their team and bring it again, क्योंकि अभी बहुत हो गया। they need a reshuffling, they need a different team, they need their you know top order middle order sorted, bowling unit को sort करना है। एंड आई वाज रीडिंग एन इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट कि मुंबई इस सीजन में मुंबई इंडियंस के बॉलर्स की इकोनॉमी 9 से ज्यादा रही है।
ओ
दे हैव नॉट कम टू बिलो 9, एंड डीसी की 9 से कम रही है। सो दैट्स एन एडवांटेज डीसी हैज कि ये कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस उन्होंने दिया है। वी कैन लुक एट इट इन दैट सेंस एज वेल। तो आई एम क्वाइट इंटरेस्टेड।
उन्होंने एक प्लेयर आई थिंक केरला से लिया है ना इसमें, एक बॉलर को
Yes,
मुंबई
very
इंडियंस में,
young, very young.
वेरी यंग, ही इज डूइंग वेल, लेकिन अभी लास्ट मैच में 2 मैच में शायद खिला नहीं रहे हैं उसको।
Vignesh, you're talking about Vignesh. Vignesh Puthur?
हाँ विघ्नेश पुथुर, सॉरी, या
Yeah, yeah.
ही
He's a good
bowls
bowler.
well, he's a bowler।
Yeah.
Yes. He played a couple of matches and he proved his performance. उन्होंने अच्छे
यस
परफॉर्मेंस
यस यस,
परफॉर्म किया था। I don't know why they are not taking him. दीपक
हाँ
चहर को ले रहे हैं उनकी जगह पे, I think.
हाँ।
That's
दीपक
to be
चहर तो
seen.
बेसिकली पेस बॉलर है, और वो ही इज अ स्पिन बॉलर।
Yeah, but
He's a
then I
spin.
think they are taking him into the team instead of him. और playing 11 का जो भी है.
दीपक चहर क्या है, इवन डेथ डेथ बॉलिंग भी कर सकता है अगर अच्छा, he has proved, उसको भी 5-7 साल ज्यादा हो गए।
Yeah,
Yeah.
Santner has to play justify his role also because I think
यस यस,
if Rohit and Santner both old war horses and the team don't play one on the
करेक्ट
batting
करेक्ट
side and one on the
करेक्ट
bowling
करेक्ट
side,
करेक्ट,
effectively playing with 9 players. And I think that's not good because they again Santner is a legend, and it's very difficult to speak about him in a very critical manner. He has proved himself to be a fantastic player at the international level, but he hasn't done anything so far. I think in the
करेक्ट
4-5 matches that have been played, he hasn't been able to make a mark. He hasn't been hitting the ball at the right length, not getting the turn, not getting the purchase on the pitch. So as you rightly said, maybe you need bowling machines and no need for bowlers. But when such talent cannot make a difference, something is wrong, right? उसका
यस
टैलेंट तो है ही, फॉर्म तो है ही। ऐसा
करेक्ट,
नहीं कि टैलेंट चला गया है एक
हाँ
एक
हाँ,
दिन में। तो या तो पिच इतना खराब है कि आप कुछ भी करो तो 4 और 6
यस।
तो जाने वाले ही हैं। तो भी सैंटनर बॉलिंग करे, नारायण पसारी बॉलिंग करे, निखिल वाला बॉलिंग करे, क्या
नहीं,
फर्क पड़ता
मैं तो मशीन लगा दूंगा।
है?
क्यों
So I
मेहनत
think
करें?
Santner has to come to the party, and I think
नहीं, मेरे
he
को
has
आज लग रहा है अगर मुंबई इंडियंस को आज जीतना है ना, तो सूर्य कुमार यादव को आज अच्छा खेलना पड़ेगा,
absolutely he has to play
बिकॉज
long.
ही इज अ गाय हु इज रिलायबल।
Yeah.
बट
And
आउट ऑफ 10 टाइम्स 8 टाइम्स यू हैव टू टेक हिज विकेट, अदरवाइज विकेट देता नहीं है, लेकिन 10 में से 2 बार वो विकेट फेंक देता है।
so
वो
he
अगर
shown
खेला
flashes
ना,
of brilliance.
हाँ,
He has shown flashes of brilliance, but he's not lasted that long. He has to
यस,
play that 10, 12, 15 overs, to make
100
a
रन
difference.
उसको बनाने पड़ेंगे। जैसे मैंने बोला ना, आज जायसवाल या सैमसन दोनों में से एक को सेंचुरी करनी पड़ेगी, वैसे अभी चॉइस हो गए हैं, इसलिए विदाउट विदाउट एनी लॉस।
That's
Yes, and I
nice.
think, yeah, yes,
Four
yes, please.
overs.
Yeah.
Slow, I think. But
बहुत
yeah,
स्लो है
slow.
6 का एवरेज है खाली।
Yeah.
So let's
Who would
then hope
you
for a
pick,
good
sir?
match.
हम्म?
Yeah,
Who would you pick for today, for today's impact player?
no, I think for Mumbai, I agree with Narayan that Surya Kumar Yadav is going to be the key game changer for and on the bowling side again because Bumrah hasn't played as he should have in the previous matches. I'm going for him for this match because otherwise he has to perform. He has performing every match. I wouldn't talk about it, but he hasn't performed. But I think today he's got to जो जो उनकी क्षमता है उस क्षमता के बराबर अगर आप आज वो खेलते हैं और 2-3 विकेट शुरू में आप ले जाते हो दिल्ली के तो दिल्ली का मिडिल ऑर्डर काफी ब्रिटल है आप उसको एक्सपोज कर सकते हो तो आपको जो पहले 2-3 बैट्समैन को जैसे मकगर्क है डुप्लेसी है पोरेल है राहुल है खास करके अगर इनको आप हिला सकते हो शुरू में पहले पावर प्ले में 43 फॉर 4 और 42 फॉर 5 और 39 फॉर 3 भी हो जाता है then you can control the Delhi if Delhi is batting first or if Delhi is chasing you can control the run chase. So I think that onus falls on Bumrah and nobody else. And I think he has to do that because Trent Bolt is, I think, past his prime. He's trying to do his best, but I think he has succeeded. Hardik Pandya, yes, but again, too much captaincy burden, batting burden, bowling burden, fielding burden. सब कुछ एक आदमी अपने सिर पे नहीं ले पाता है तो वह बुमराह को आज दिखाना पड़ेगा कि जो उसके पास कला थी इंजरी के पहले उसी कला को अभी अभी बरकरार है और उस कला के हिसाब से खेल पाते हैं नहीं तो इंजरी का इफेक्ट शायद उनके ऊपर हुआ है sometimes when you have a back problem or a knee problem and when you're bowling you are so conscious of that you don't bowl to your peak because you are sub peak so you don't want to strain your back you don't want to strain your knee you don't want to break your shin so injury post injury you have seen a lot of players like that who suddenly lose their peak performance it comes down because your डॉक्टर ने बोला होगा अरे आप कम जरा करिए नहीं तो फिर से होगा और फिर प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है then he is coming out of that situation so he has if that is the case you can't blame him but otherwise he'll have to step up to the plate and take according to me 4 overs 2-3 wickets from him and Mumbai is on the way.
And
For
if he
Delhi?
fires the cylinders, na, other bowlers also pick up, looking
Yeah.
at he emulates them.
Absolutely.
Moss अगर ये कर रहा है तो people get charged up.
Yeah.
Just like two batsmen, I think bowlers भी pair में होते हैं. I mean, they need enough support from the other bowlers.
Yes.
नहीं Bolt also and Jasprit they go well together actually देखा जाए तो लेकिन अभी वो तालमेल बैठ नहीं रहा है जसप्रीत था नहीं पहले तो इसलिए बेसिकली अभी आया है तो let's see how it works out.
And who would you pick for Delhi Capitals?
I think Akshar, for me, Akshar has to, as Narayan said, he's not in his bowling, he's not yet done what he's known to do. And maybe ऐसा मौका भी नहीं मिला काफी 2-3 इवेंट भी हो गए थे उनके तो पर अभी जो आज उनको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि he is a good as good as we make him out to be. So I think for me he captaincy first of all captaincy how he controls the team. He's been doing it again and again, but today is also important. And his bowling.
And you, sir, Narayan?
कुलदीप यादव, one man show.
Oh yes, definitely.
3 विकेट लेगा देखना और केएल राहुल 50-70 मार दिया ना तो दिल्ली के जेब में आ जाएगी मैच 5वीं आ जाएगी मतलब 4-0 है 5-0 हो जाएगा.
He's a purple potential.
With due respect to Mumbai Indian fans, but I'm telling what the cricket is.
No, I agree. And I think on form, I would say that it looks like Delhi will continue its winning streak, but Mumbai is known to pull the rabbit out of the hat.
और आज एक और होगा आज ड्यूप्लेसी और मैकगर ये दोनों खेलेंगे देखना आप अभी तक नहीं खेले.
We have 2 predictions coming in from our special guest today and our judge on the contest. 3 wickets for Kuldeep Yadav. And the opening pair of Delhi is going to be going all guns firing at Jasprit Bumrah. And my prediction, Jasprit Bumrah is going to take 3 wickets in his 4 overs. Let's see what happens.
No, even the foreigners and
on your side. Sorry, Narayan.
Nikhil, even the foreigners and foreign cricketers and Indian cricketers know that the Home Minister of India stays in Delhi.
जिताना तो पड़ेगा.
Hit me your prediction.
My prediction is Delhi will win and Rahul will play another knock. That he played in the previous game. And I'm supporting Mitchell Stark. I don't know why I always support him, though. I think Mitchell Stark will be a key player today.
Yeah, he will be. And I think that makes sense because they're saying that this pitch is going to help pace bowlers and not the spinners. So
with the नो फेयर कमेंट, उन लोग 4 ही अलाउड है फॉरेनर्स एक टीम में, अदरवाइज देखो क्या हालत होती थी इंडियंस की।
इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर में आ जाएंगे।
लेकिन आपका मेक इन इंडिया स्टार्टअप इंडिया प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, आत्मनिर्भर भारत प्रॉब्लम।
इट्स अ गुड फोरम फॉर अपकमिंग क्रिकेटर्स and
No,
cricketers
and
are
I'll tell
getting
you,
their
I'll tell
due.
you one thing. See,
I remember,
I'll tell you one thing. For every program, Narayan, we say, let's learn something.
yeah,
I think yesterday was a classic case of how if you play with, if you are playing with players of much above your caliber, how it helps you.
correct.
Yesterday, if you watch Klassen behind the wickets, and when
Yes,
the bowlers were being taken, his bowlers were
left,
being
right,
taken,
center, yeah,
the way he was encouraging them, talking to them, he's the captain, okay?
yeah, yes,
And then when one of the bowlers, new bowlers, took a wicket, the way he went and spoke to him, I like, this is what you're supposed to do. And they're doing fantastic job. And at that point of time, the match was going away from them. Okay,
correct,
I think when new people, second category 2 टाउन के players हमारी जो टीम में खेलते हैं, जब वो गोरा बंदा उसके साथ ऐसे बात करता है, उसको बोलता है, उसको सलाह देता है, the motivation that they get, the training that they get, and what they learn by just listening to these people, is what sets aside. In our lives we have to do like that. Sometimes we like to compete with people who are either equal to us or below us because we want to
yeah,
win. मैं
correct,
जीता, पर उसमें आप कुछ सीखते नहीं हो। यानी
yes,
अगर आपको compete करना है तो उस लोगों के साथ कीजिए आपसे बहुत 3-4 लेवल्स ऊपर हो, तो
correct,
आप
correct,
कुछ सीखेंगे, then you will look up and learn. So I think, for our youngsters, yesterday's match again, if they watch again, when Hyderabad was bowling and being taken to the cleaners, watch Klassen. See
correct,
what Klassen does and watch what happens to the other player, the
yes,
one who we encouraged. It's
yeah,
brilliant. And I think that's something that I have to hand over to that Henrich Klassen, that, in spite of the fact that he's not the captain, it was not his job. He was doing that, running up to the bowler and talking to him after every delivery, whether it was a wicket taken or a six hit.
Yeah.
नहीं आप देखो जब ट्रेविस हेड आउट हो गया और क्लासन आया, उसके बाद में ही प्लेड ए सबड्यूड
Secondary
रोल,
role, absolutely.
है ना, कि
Yeah,
बॉस अदरवाइज क्लासन भी छक्के बहुत मारे हैं जिंदगी
yeah,
में,
yeah, yeah.
लेकिन
He stepped back.
ही टुक अ बैक सीट, उसने खाली
Yes,
20-22 रन ही बनाए बस।
but that is a sign of a great player.
यस, एंड मतलब क्या है, इट इज we call mentorship actually, they should mentor the young guys and ensure and not compete with them.
And not
Yeah.
compete. Absolutely. I think their class and showed his class yesterday. And I think our youngsters have to learn from watching him on the field on what a good teammate. What is team spirit? What is teammate? What you do for your team and how you do it. I think that's a classic lesson yesterday.
Maybe he could be our underrated player, IPL genius
Yeah,
for the
yes, you're right.
contest.
So I think
Don't give answers.
you want to repeat the question, HP, for our viewers who did not see the first
Yes.
part.
So the second question for the second round of the contest is drop your most underrated IPL genius and prove it. ऐसे कोई IPL player का नाम बताइए जो जिस I am not sure how to put it in Hindi. Maybe you can help me.
नहीं तो जिसने ऐसा कोई खिलाड़ी जो अपनी क्षमता के बाहर खेलता है, बहुत ही अच्छा खेलता है, लेकिन जो उसको रे प्राइस मिलता है या तो ऑक्शन में, या रिकग्निशन मिलता है, या क्रेडिट मिलता है, उतना नहीं मिलता है जितना कि वो परफॉर्म कर रहा है। जैसे हमें लगता है ना ऑफिस में, यार मैं इतना अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, मुझे कोई इंक्रीमेंट ही नहीं मिला, मेरे बॉस प्रमोशन ही नहीं दे रहा है। तो ऐसे ही इस आईपीएल में कौन सा खिलाड़ी है जो कंप्लेन कर सकता है कि मैंने बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया लेकिन मुझे तो मिलना चाहिए था, या तो एज प्राइज मनी or as given credit for being a key part of the team. Who is that one player whom you would think is the most underrated player? सबसे ही ऐसा खिलाड़ी जिसको रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिला है, ऐसा एक नाम देना है कारण के साथ, सिर्फ नाम मत देना, क्यों, और उसका स्टैटिस्टिक्स के साथ दीजिएगा, तो आपको 2,500 का इनाम मिलेगा। आने वाले संडे 12 बजे के पहले आपको एंट्री देना है व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे जो स्क्रीन के नीचे है, या हमारे इंस्टा हैंडल पे, या फिर हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे कमेंट करके देना है। तीनों तरीके ठीक है। और हम 12 बजे को क्लोज करेंगे आने वाले सैटरडे संडे को, और फिर दोपहर को ऐसे प्रोग्राम में विनर अनाउंस करेंगे।
So participate, ask your friends and family to participate, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you. And I think we are going with where is Rajasthan now?
47, 6.2.
37. They're going slow.
Jaiswal 31.
So
Let's
till
the
the
time
time
they don't up to 10 overs, if they don't lose any wicket and they score 80, then the next 10 they will close dhadadhad hoga.
I always tell Hetvi that the ideal situation is 10 overs, 90 runs, 1 wicket, or 10 overs, 80 runs, no wicket. Ideal. The next 10 overs you can make 120 easily.
Because then you have Riyan Parag, Nitish Rana, who
and
can
they are
come
free to play also because they already go behind you. So great. Let's go and watch the match, and we meet again tomorrow.
Thanks for being.
Narayan, we would want you to come more and more often. So let's see how your time permits you to come in. And but every Sunday, of course, you are now a fixture, and I can tell my audience that नारायण जी हर संडे तो आएंगे ही हमारे साथ, लेकिन बीच में भी जब उनके पास वक्त होगा कमेंट करने के लिए, उनका विजडम शेयर करने के लिए, हम उनको जरूर बुलाएंगे. तो Hetvi?
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks, Nikhil. Thanks, Vinit. Bye bye. All the best.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow.